That.
My name is Karonge Machlet. I'm a medical clinical officer working with Doctors Clinic, Hoima. We normally treat patients, mostly diabetic, hypertensive, elderly patients, few pediatric cases. We have both inpatient and outpatient department. So today I'm going to talk about WISP Health, what we have benefited, what are the feedback from our patients. We have benefited a lot from WISP, whereby our patients come back telling us the feedback. Even if they don't want to swallow their medicine, WISP is there to remind them and they take their medicine. There are cases we used to get before introduction of WISP, like when you prescribe a drug, for example, you prescribe metronidazole, which is supposed to be taken 8 hourly, you find the patient will take the drug but not at the right time. You find the patient will tell you, I take my tablet at 8, the next dose at 1, the third dose at 8 in the night. So when you calculate the time interval, it will not be 8 hourly. So WISP Health is helping us so that customers, our patients, can take their medicine at the right time. And another scenario, we used to get patients whereby you prescribe a drug which is 6 hourly, and you find the patient at night, the patient is sleeping, nobody to wake the patient up. So WISP Health is there to help to call them, remind them to wake up and take their medicine. And there are even those patients that used to take the dose, they reach in the middle, they stop taking. For example, you have written a drug for 5 days, this patient takes for 3 days, he feels okay and he stops taking the medicine. But WISP will keep on reminding them to take the drugs and they will find themselves finishing the dose which you have prescribed. Okay. So we really appreciate and we ask you to extend these services to other facilities that have not yet gotten WISP Health. Hano tuli Banyoro, so tukubasiima muno mwebale kutuleetera WISP Health etuyambire muno kandi aba clients baitu bakusiima muno mwebale.